Are you traveling by flights? Did you know you can enter the airport using your face with the Digi Yatra? Let me show you how it works. You might have some doubts. What is Digi Yatra? Digi Yatra, Digi Yatra is a system that uses your facial recognition at airports to make passenger entry and boarding faster and easier without repeatedly showing a boarding pass or ID card. Let me tell you one by one. So before I started this video, please subscribe to my channel and like and share. So let's get started this video. Digi Yatra app is available on Play Store. You can go and download it. Then first thing is register on the Digi Yatra app using your other details and driving license too. Then take a selfie of your photo and upload it to the Digi Yatra app. Then upload your boarding pass. Then go to the Digi Yatra gates at the airports and look at the camera for the face scan. Once the system verifies your identity and boarding pass, the gate will open automatically. Then you can enter through Digi Yatra gates and don't need to show your boarding pass or documents at every checkpoint at the airports. It's quick and convenient and to make passenger airport entry process easier and faster. So one important thing to remember, Digi Yatra works only for domestic flight passenger, not Digi Yatra is not mandatory, it's your choices, because Digi Yatra is a very easy to enter the airport without showing boarding pass and documents. Otherwise, if you don't have Digi Yatra, you can enter the manual entry gates. That is, you can go there and show your boarding pass to the CS officer, then enter the airport. That is process the manual entry gates. If you have Digi Yatra, there is a separate gate for the Digi Yatra gates at the airport. You can go there and scan your face and enter the airport very easily and quickly. That's a benefit for the Digi Yatra app. So Digi Yatra is available for some airports in India: Mumbai, New Delhi, Chennai, Bangalore, Kochi, Ahmedabad, Jaipur. I hope this video was very useful. If you found it useful, then please like, share and subscribe to my channel. I will see you in the next video. Have a safe flight to everyone. Take care. See you in the next video. Bye bye.